In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your own internet themed bedroom for Spotify or Apple Music. So what you want to do is open up your browser. So whether you're using Chrome or Safari, and what you want to type in is made, M-A-D-E, on, O-N, verse, verse.com, and go to that website. Now you see here that you have two different options, Spotify or Apple Music. Choose whichever one that applies to you and sign in to the platform. And then what you want to do is allow Spotify to connect to Discs X Verse. Hit agree. And now it's going to create my bedroom according to the tracks that I've been listening to on Spotify. Pop Princess. So that's the bedroom. Now we have an option to tap to play for the music, or we can save and share. So I could save that image like so, and I could also share the image with any social media platform I wanted to. And that is basically it.